Hello everyone, welcome to Biza Wood. Today, I'll show you how to create this spooky wooden pumpkin head for Halloween using a CNC machine. Whether you prefer working manually or with CNC, this project can easily be adapted to fit your needs and tools. To celebrate the launch of my channel, I'm offering this file for free. You can download it from the link in the description. If you're interested in more designs, I'll also include a link to my Etsy shop. Let's get started. First, let's go over the materials we'll need. I'm using a piece of wood with dimensions of 10 x 5 3/4 x 5/8. This size is perfect for making a medium-sized pumpkin head, but you can easily adjust the dimensions to create a larger or smaller version to suit your preference. Now, let's head over to the CNC machine. I'm fixing the piece securely in place and setting the coordinates. Make sure everything is aligned properly before starting to avoid any mistakes during carving. With everything set, the CNC begins carving the inner part of the pumpkin's face. I'm carving to a depth of about 5/30 seconds to 1/4, depending on your preference. This depth creates a nicely recessed effect that makes the features stand out. I'm starting with a 1/8 bit for the general carving. For finer details, I switched to a 1/16 bit. This allows for more precise lines, especially if you're working on a smaller pumpkin head. Adjust the bits according to the size of your project for best results. After the inner carving is done, I switch back to the 1/8 bit to cut out the outer contour of the pumpkin. This defines the shape and gives us our final piece. Once the cutting is complete, I carefully remove the pumpkin head from the CNC machine and place it on my workbench. I'm giving the edges a light sanding to smooth out any rough spots and enhance the overall look. Here's our pumpkin head next to my cat, who's clearly enjoying her nap. Remember, the most important thing in any project is to take breaks and show some love to your pets. They're the real supervisors of our workspaces. Now, you can see the pumpkin head with a base coat of white paint. Unfortunately, we lost the footage of that step, but it's a simple process. Just apply a coat of primer to prepare the wood for painting. Next, we'll paint the features, eyes, nose, and mouth using black paint. You can use any paint you prefer, but I recommend acrylic for a solid finish. If you go over the lines, don't worry, once it's dry, you can sand off the excess to clean it up. For a deeper color, apply 2 coats. Now, let's paint the pumpkin itself using a classic pumpkin orange. Once the face is painted, I move on to the stem, using a mix of green and brown for a natural look. Make sure to let each coat dry before applying the next. After everything is dry, I'm lightly sanding the whole face to give it a more aged and sinister look. This helps create a spooky vibe perfect for Halloween. And that's it. If you liked this project, be sure to check out more of my videos for creative woodworking ideas. Remember that you can find the digital files and templates for this pumpkin head at the link in the description. Happy crafting!